Okay guys, we're just giving you a work way around of anything that won't open currently in Teams for you. So if you go into your OneDrive, that's the icon with the white icon with the blue cloud here at the bottom of the screen. And if you click on that, and then if you move over to the right hand side and go to libraries, and in libraries here you'll have all your classes that sync with Teams. So I'm going to click on Geography Robinson as an example. Okay, in class files, if you click on assignments, okay, in here you'll find all your assignments. We'll click on this, the 25th work. If you click on river processes, it will open any of your PowerPoints in here that aren't opening in Teams for you. Again, if we go back out and we go to libraries, we go into Geography Robinson. If you go into class materials, or into documents, sorry, and if you scroll down, you'll see all the information there. If you click on any of the tabs, they will open then in OneDrive for you.